In today's video, I really want to share a few quick yet effective exercises that target your abs and will help you achieve a flatter and toned stomach. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. It literally means the whole world to me when you do. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. The first exercise we're going to be doing is a plank. One of the most effective exercises to target your core. Also, guys, I can see I'm a little bit high up. Try and keep it as level and as straight as possible. Don't be like me. Keep it straight like this. Now I've got it. And make sure that you really tense your muscles and really connect your mind to your muscles and really tense it. Engage your core. We're holding this plank for exactly 60 seconds, 1 full minute, and afterwards I just feel so boosted and so lifted and full of serotonin. Planks are one of the best core exercises. They can also improve your posture, guys, and also they can improve your mind focus. It literally, after doing one, I just feel so renewed. Planks are really useful for building strength and endurance for your body, and I just set the timer on my iPhone. Now it's time to do leg raises, and we're going to set our timer for a minute again. And when you raise your legs up, bring them down slowly so you really feel the intense work on your muscles. And also, whilst you're doing it, guys, envision your abs, like literally they're there, they will be popping. Also, what helps is to inhale whilst you raise them and then exhale whilst you're bringing them down. It's on your breath. You got this. You can do this. I'm actually sitting here editing this and procrastinating on doing my workout. I so don't want to work out today. I don't know what's wrong with me, but usually when you don't want to work out, that's when you need it the most, because I'm sitting here just feeling like blah. But I'm going to force myself, guys. Anyways, that's a random side note. So keep going. We've almost done our minute. And then we're going to move on to the next exercise very soon. On the final one, I like to do it really slow, and then I hold it once the timer goes. I just hold the position like that just to really feel the burn and really define those abs. Third exercise is this. We're going to crisscross our legs and count to 5, and then we're going to do like little kicks up and down and count to 5, so 5 each time basically. And we're also doing this for a minute as well, guys. Make sure you hold it at the end of your minute to really intensify your workout. Just doing some back stretches before I get into it. So guys, I filmed this on a separate day because my battery died on my camera, and also I was tired as hell after doing those other exercises. So yeah, so this is one of my favorite exercises as it targets love handles. You guessed right, guys, we're doing this for a whole minute as well. And this exercise, I feel like it really helps to achieve that perfect, I shouldn't say perfect, nothing's perfect imperfections. It really helps you to achieve an hourglass figure, as it helps you to come in and then out just what you want. Well, maybe you don't want it, but I do. All done. I told you this workout's quick. Also, you can do 3 sets of these if you've got energy, but I don't. I feel like little and often is key, so yeah. Also guys, now that our workout's done, I just love to incorporate yoga into my workouts. It's really great at just like freeing your mind, body and spirit, and it really helps your bones and it helps to build strength, stamina, and it really teaches you just to live within the exact moment. So yeah, here's some yoga. Enjoy. Don't forget guys, consistency is key with everything in life and not just exercise, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and now it's time for me to go home and bath. So there you basically have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful and I hope you got your serotonin boost as it literally uplifts me. So I hope it's uplifted you. And yeah, and please don't forget to connect with me on Instagram as well, which I'll link down below, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.